Good afternoon, clients and friends. It's a beautiful fall day, so I'm going to address you from the great outdoors today. So now that we're in the fall, it's time to start watching for frost reports and bringing your last produce in from your garden. It's time to get your bulbs into the ground, and it's also time to consider the dreaded spooky market month of October. So the markets, after marching steadily upwards for almost 2 years, except for a COVID blip last March, finished September almost 5% down. Is that the start of something bigger or some big catastrophic event in the financial markets? The financial headlines would certainly have you believe so. But in truth, nobody knows. What is true is that October has a reputation of being a highly volatile month. With the current U.S. government spending packages still being debated, and the current Biden administration's tax policy changes still being decided upon, the current market volatility is certainly unsurprising. So, what should you do in your personal portfolio? Well, if your long-term investment thesis has not changed, then you should stay the course and keep your faith in the long-term results of your investments. On the other hand, if the time horizon for when you're going to be accessing some of your funds has shortened and your investment allocation has not changed, then we probably should schedule a meeting. Yet, on another hand, if your long-term investment thesis has not changed, yet you are not sure if you're willing to stomach all the potential volatility that may be or may not be in store, it might be worth it to consider investments with buffers or other downside protections. Buffered investments protect against some of the downside volatility or downward moves in a particular investment, but they always come at a cost. That cost may be in the form of upside caps on performance, or maybe in the form of illiquidity on that investment for a certain period of time. Buffered investments come in all shapes and sizes and varieties. If you're interested in looking at some of these, we will take a look at these buffered investments within the context of your overall portfolio and then in the particular sleeve that we're going to allocate them to. If you'd like to discuss these, please reach out to me. So, in short, don't get spooked into doing anything silly this October, especially in your financial portfolio. Cleansing rains will come, and so will the winter snows, but then spring will come too. Keep your spirits up, and we will get through October together. And have a great October and Halloween. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.